Then, take the second left.
Sunday at the Round Rock Donuts. Woo! We're here at the Round Rock Donut, right here in Round Rock, Texas. I think it's gonna take 35 minutes. How long do you think it's gonna take?
I say probably about 30 minutes.
Dad, how long do you think it's gonna take?
At least 30 minutes.
What you doing?
Hello! Thank you. Cake looks amazing. Round Rock Donuts is a world-famous Texas bakery established in 1926, known for its iconic yeast-risen donuts, featuring a distinctive orangey yellow color. Rather than using any artificial food coloring, this bakery achieves its signature color and rich funnel cake-like flavor exclusively from fresh eggs, yolks, and a handmade dough. The iconic menu offerings are the Round Rock glazed donuts, served with warm, hot glaze all day.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
Okay, another offer. So you want cheese?
Round Rock is known most for its Texas-sized donut, a massive, crowd-pleasing donut that's larger than a person's head, available in glazed, chocolate, or half and half, which is what we got. They also have some amazing sausage kolaches that we had to get, and some coffee to go. Coffees. It's taped so tight. We're trying to get in this donut and it's taped up like Fort Knox. Come on! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's huge!
Okay, that wasn't.
Hey. Hey. What are you looking forward to?
Hopefully my better coffee.
Wow, sad. R.I.P. mid coffee.
Did you get?
I got a caramel.
Yay! We got it.
Really sad.
We got the goods. We're caffeinated, we're donuted, and we're heading back to try
I
it.
haven't had the donuts yet. Don't lie.
I said we're going back to try it.
Yep. Let's go.
What's funny is we came here a time or two and then I saw them on.
At like lights, stop signs.
Wow, hot take. We're here at the IKEA Round Rock trip, part 2. Oklahoma, definitely not Oklahoma. Ooh, I love this whole room. It's so cute. Look at that. Oh, what's in the cabinet? Oh my gosh. Round Rock coffee, a bit of IKEA. Whoop, 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 whoop. Market hall, all the things, showroom, all the things. Hi, welcome to the office.
Yeah, you want to withdraw $150? Mm-hmm. Okay, what's your name?
Debbie.
You spell that the regular way, right?
What's the regular way?
Okay. What's your last name?
Right?
Yeah. You only have 20.
Oh, dang.
So we can't do business with you today, honey. I'm sorry. Maybe you could withdraw.
Can I speak to your manager? Manager, you're please bullying me. They're allowed to do that? No, I trespass. Okay. Okay, I got the kids veggie meatballs out of the garlic bread. Cameron got the salmon salad, cucumber salad, deviled eggs with shrimp. A little concerned. And then I got some sparkling pear water. Ooh, you got cheesecake. Everything looks so good. While we were at IKEA, we saw the iconic Punch the Monkey orangutan plush. Oh my gosh, what has happened to Punch the Monkey, guys? Do you guys remember that? It was like the little monkey who didn't have a mom and so fell in love with a stuffed animal, and he like would drive it around everywhere. Anyway, it was super cute and just had to bring that up. Back to regular home shopping. Got a rug, some dishes. We got the bully bookshelf all the way in the van. All right, now we gotta go home and build it. What a wonderful IKEA trip. We're finishing up here at the IKEA. We got everything in the car and we're headed out. We had such a fun trip today here in Round Rock. Thanks for joining us on this mini vlog. Okay, bye.